Good morning, students. Welcome back to another session of GK. Students, today we will start next lesson, the TION words. Now let us start question answer session. The following clues are given for words which end in TION. Can you name the words? First one. The injection of vaccines into the body is known as vaccination. Vaccination is the administration of a vaccine to help the immune system develop protection from a disease. Vaccines contain a microorganism or virus in a weakened, live, or killed state, or proteins or toxins from the organism. In stimulating the body's adaptive immunity, they help prevent sickness from an infectious disease. For example, after the introduction of the vaccination, we were able to effectively eradicate smallpox. Next one. The feeling of respect and liking is known as admiration. The root of the word admiration is admire, which means to regard with wonder or approval. People can receive admiration for many reasons, including their beauty, hard work, or intelligence. For example, your admiration for a favorite teacher includes an awareness of how much he or she helped you. For example, she was cool, confident, funny, and worthy of admiration. Next one. Moving cartoons in sequence is known as animation. Animation is a method in which figures are manipulated to appear as moving images. In traditional animation, images are drawn or painted by hand or transparent celluloid sheets to be photographed and exhibited on film. Today, most animations are made with computer generated imagery. Computer animation can be very detailed 3D animation, while 2D computer animation can be used for stylistic reasons, low bandwidth, or faster real-time rendering. Next one, related to movement, is known as locomotion. Locomotion means the act or ability of an entity or person to transport or move oneself from place to place. In a general sense, locomotion simply means active movement or travel, not only of biological individuals. In biology, locomotion is the self-power movement of limbs or other anatomical parts by which an individual moves itself from place to place. Example: forms of locomotion are walking, running, crawling, climbing, swimming, and flying. Next question. Determination to achieve success is known as ambition. Ambition means a strong desire to do or achieve something, or a desire and determination to achieve success. For example, her ambition was to become a pilot. Next question. Restore to a normal life is known as rehabilitation. The action of restoring someone to health or normal life through training and therapy after imprisonment addiction or illness. For example, she underwent rehabilitation and was walking within 3 weeks. Next one. An invented idea or statement is known as invention. An invention is a unique or novel device, method, composition, or process. The invention process is a process with, within an overall engineering and product development process. It may be an improvement upon a machine or product or a new process for creating an object or a result. Example: the invention of the railroad was a milestone in the history of transportation. Next question. The part of something is known as portion. Example: a very large portion of our income goes to pay the mortgage. Next one. People living in a country is known as population. In sociology, population refers to a collection of humans. Population in simpler terms is the number of people in city or town, region, country or world. Population is usually determined by a process called census. Next one. The area inside the entrance of an office or a hotel is known as reception. A reception area is a section of your office hotel space that is used to greet all visitors and to provide a waiting area for them until they are met by the person that they came to meet with. For example, her sister waited in the reception room, sipping tea and flipping through a magazine. Next one. A way to solving problem is known as solution. It means of solving a problem or dealing with a difficult solution. For example, I have a solution that might work. Next question. The act printing books is known as registration. Registration means the act or process of entering information about something in a book or system of public records, or the act or process of entering names on an official list. For example, I just want to see your registration cards for March 4th. Next one. Work of people to earn money is known as occupation. Occupation means a person's usual or principal work or business, especially as a means of earning a living. For example, he is thinking about changing occupations and becoming a police officer. Fun fact: the word "we" names namely. Now students, we will meet our next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.